In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email address to Yahoo Mail. To begin, open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you use regularly. Once the browser is open, move to the search bar and type in Yahoo. Hit the Enter key to initiate the search. You will see a list of search results. This step is essential as it directs you to the Yahoo homepage where you can manage your email settings. You'll want to ensure you're on the official Yahoo site for security reasons. Once the search results are displayed, look for the correct link that leads to Yahoo's official site. Typically, the top result will be the one you want, often identified by the URL that starts with yahoo.com. Click on this link to navigate to the Yahoo homepage. It's important to click the right link to avoid phishing sites. Once you are on the homepage, you are ready to proceed with the next steps. If you are not already signed in, you may be prompted to enter your login credentials. This includes your Yahoo email address and password. Type them in carefully, ensuring there are no typos. After entering your details, click the Sign In button. Signing in is crucial because you need to access your account to modify settings. If you enter your credentials correctly, you will be taken to your Yahoo Mail inbox where you can manage your emails and settings. Now that you are logged in, look to the bottom left sidebar of the Yahoo Mail interface. Here you will see a three-dot icon. Click on this icon to reveal a menu. From this menu, select Settings. This action allows you to access various settings for your account. Adjusting your settings is important because it helps you customize your email experience to better suit your needs. With the Settings menu open, locate the left sidebar menu and click on Mailboxes. This section is where you can manage all your email accounts associated with Yahoo Mail. Viewing this section is vital as it provides an overview of your current mailboxes and options to add new ones. Once you click on Mailboxes, you'll be directed to a list that shows your existing email accounts and available actions. Under the Mailbox List section, you will see an Add Mailbox button. Click on this button to initiate the process of adding a new email address. This step is crucial because it enables you to consolidate multiple email accounts within your Yahoo Mail interface. By adding mailboxes, you can streamline your email management, making it easier to check messages from different accounts without logging in separately. Next, a new window will prompt you to select your email provider. This could be Google, Outlook, or AOL, among others. Choose the provider you wish to add and then type in the full email address you want to add. It's important to enter the complete email address accurately to avoid issues later. After entering the address correctly, you're one step closer to integrating your email accounts. After typing in your email address, click the Next button. You will then follow a security prompt that may ask you to sign in to the email account you are adding. This step is crucial as it grants Yahoo permission to sync your messages. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once you complete this step, Yahoo will begin the process of linking your new email account. By following these steps, you successfully add an email address to Yahoo Mail. This integration simplifies your email management and keeps everything in one place. You can now easily access and manage all your emails from different providers within your Yahoo interface. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.